Hello, sports fans. Welcome to RVing with Luck. I'm Ralph Luck, and running my last few errands in Flagstaff, Arizona today, which included going to the gas station to dump a couple bags of garbage. I went to Tractor Supply Company and topped off one of my propane tanks, and now I'm at the favorite place to go, the veterinarian clinic. Let me show you Ninja. She's tucked away inside the carrying case. We're parked at the vet, and I think she's due for a rabies and like an annual physical. So we're going to go do that because tomorrow is packing up day. Going to be packing up the RV camp, hooking up the Jeep, getting all ready to roll. And then the day after, we're going to be heading to Seligman, Arizona, out west by about an hour. And we're going to park there at a Chevron and chill. And then we're going to head down Route 66 and take a look at a couple of stops there on the way to Kingman, where we're going to park at a Harvest Host Sunday night, which is going to be the Sundowner Saloon. And so we'll stay there, grab some food, grab a beer, and stay the night. Then Monday in Kingman, we're going to fill up on water, gas, and dump the tanks in the RV, and then head 20 miles west down Route 66 down to my property in Golden Valley where I've got a couple acres. And that's where we're going to stay for the winter. And after the vet here, I'm picking up a couple of packages, I think 4. And I already have one package, a new radio, waiting for me in Kingman. So we'll be getting that in a couple of days. I just ordered a refurbished stock radio and hope it works. But let's go inside of the vet. So Ninja has been sedated. This vet gave me some pills that you cut open and put the powder in her food. And I did that about 11 a.m. this morning. She ate a little bit, but then by 12:30 she devoured it all. So I think she's pretty heavily sedated. She's only meowed like 2 or 3 times on the way here for a second. And this will allow her to be seen by the doctor without scratching the heck out of me or the doctor. So let's get inside. I am about 45 minutes early because you never know how long it's going to take to get Ninja into the carrier. So I'd rather be early than late. But here we go. Here we are inside. Okay, she weighs a little over 12 pounds in the carrier. She's starting to wake up a little bit more. Just waiting on the doctor. She's going to get like rabies, upper respiratory, something else, and an exam. Let's hope that sedative's still going strong. Okay, Ninja did great. Doc got her out of the carrier and was able to give her 3 or 4 shots. I think there was a leukemia in there. Definitely the rabies is a big deal. It's good for 3 years. Examined her lungs, heart, stomach, and surprised me by saying at 9 years old, she's considered a senior. But she's super active. The doc commented on her coat and said, wow, it's just amazing. She keeps herself so clean. The food you're feeding her is working great. She's so shiny. So we're heading out to get packages and then home. Okay, made it back to camp safely. Topped off the Jeep with some fuel. This 60-pound box is a winch for the front of the Jeep. 13,500 pound carrying capacity. This is going to be another portable propane heater, one much smaller than the one diesel heater I'm testing. And this is going to be some lights, rechargeable lights. So thanks for joining me on this adventure. Please smash that thumbs up button if you enjoyed this. Also subscribe so you get alerts anytime I post a new video. And tomorrow we're packing up, and the day after we're heading west. So that'll all be in the next video, as well as opening some of these boxes and taking a look. The lights and the winch I purchased myself. The heater right here was given for me to test out. Anyway, go out there, be positive, be nice, be active. And yes, Ninja's inside, eating and feeling good again.